equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into a detailed guide on how to upgrade the RAM and hard drive of your HP 15's fq2149ns laptop. This process can significantly enhance your device's performance, making it faster and more efficient for your daily tasks. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage to the components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and the integrity of the device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws that need to be removed. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you'll see the RAM slots and the hard drive. To replace the RAM, locate the RAM modules. Gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick to release it. If you're upgrading, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Press down firmly until the clips click back into place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Next, let's move on to the hard drive. Locate the hard drive bay, which is usually secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws and gently slide the hard drive out of its connector. If you're replacing it, take your new hard drive and slide it into the connector, ensuring it's secure. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other areas. This will help keep your laptop running cool and efficiently. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they're tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Check your system settings to ensure the new RAM and hard drive are recognized. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded your HP 15's fq2149ns laptop. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we also offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Enjoy your enhanced laptop performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.